Guys, so this is Recon Gaming. I will be doing a little video on a little code I made of a timer. So here's how you do it. Let's go. So first of all, you want to put in an import command to add and then time, because time is what's going to be helping us wait seconds. And now, this is a prototype. I might get another video on with a better version. This is kind of spaghetti. I'll try to fix it later. But, yeah. Okay, so next, you want to create a little format so we can make our seconds in our timer by saying set format equals 0, curly brackets, colon 0 greater than 2 digits, dot format with quotes around it. Then you want to say the minutes are your input first. And I think you could even add a prompt. Minutes could be a prompt, and it could just be a little thing telling you, hey, you gotta enter in your minutes. Yeah. And then you gotta say to convert that into the minute. Integer, sorry. Then add something that says seconds. Into a sex equals int input seconds. After you do that, you will have a nice little, entering in. Torch is basically going to be our end amount. So we could say end instead. And there we go. Then close could be time. And then you have to do it while time is greater than or equal to end. What you should do is print 0 and then do mins. And then 0 mins. And then we'll actually create another thing right up at the top. Go to the top again. Because you want to create your second thing. And say min underscore format equal to in quotes, then add show it is 0 greater than 2D. And again, greater than. So yeah, thanks so much, and how you add your dot format. And then after that, take away the 0. Then say min underscore format. By the way, this is Adam, the text editor. If you don't, there's a lot of good videos of how to install it, how to install Python. Okay. And then after that, you want to say, okay. Okay, so yeah, next You got time dot sleep 1 second. That basically tells them wait 1 second. And then sex is equal to sex minus 1. Sex equals sex minus 1. Cause equal. Sorry. You want to go back up and add in, because you want to apply this format to mins. So you actually want to add that up at the printf min format mins, and then you'll have that good. And time dot sleep 1, just like I said. Then you want to do sex equals sex minus 1 to take away the seconds by 1. Then you want to do cause change to time is equal to time minus 1. By the way, in another video, I will be doing another video explaining how to do this in Java. So thanks. So, by the way, if you're worried about or wondering about my weird voice, I have a cold. Since quarantine, I got my vaccine and my voice is weird because I have a sore throat. Yeah, I just got my vaccine. I'm happy about it, but I'm getting a few side effects. And I didn't know that a sore throat would be one, but I guess it is. So I'm getting that side effect. Okay, so then, as I said again, time is equal to time minus 1. And that's basically how you can calculate, like, most of your command. But, so yeah, but there's still another part if you want that it to actually show the timer ticking down. Well, yeah. And also, if you didn't know, when you need to say sec format sex, and then you do comma end equals /r, so it deletes the character return. So instead of making a big line of all the numbers, it just makes it one number, the thin number that goes down. And as I was saying, you need, so yeah, if you were saying, as I was saying, time, so now that you know this part of the command, now all you gotta do is just add something to make the taking down work. It's just copy this printf things, quotation marks, min format, mins, copy all that down under if sex equals 0, colon. Then you want to do time dot sleep 1 and basically copy everything you had in the while time is greater than or equal to end. Then right after that, it's really simple. Just go and just take away, make one last line, say print, bring. Yeah, and then after that, you do print, bring, and then instead of having, it should look like this to you. Just take away all the tabs until you get right next to the while loop. Then after that, all you gotta do is save the file, time.py, by pressing File, Save, and pull up your Windows PowerShell. Then, excuse me, don't look at this. I need to get out of Java because I was just doing it. Sorry, okay. So then in your PowerShell, you should be seeing this. C users and then whatever your name is or whatever your name for C users is. But we don't care about that. Just do CD. Remember, you'll need to have this installed. LPTHW. And then after that, you get into users, whatever, something or other. It depends on what you are. LPTHW, and then just say Oh, and then also this file you make right here, name it time.py. So when you access it in the Windows PowerShell, just type in, so all you gotta type in is Python, sorry for my bad spelling, Python time.py. So then after that, run it and it should say minutes and then type in how many minutes. I'm going to make it 1 for the sake of how long a video is. And then it's going to say second. You can change that to seconds by just changing the name of, or in the variable, just change second, where is it? Over up here, second to seconds. It's that simple, but the point is, let's make it 10 seconds. Seconds is 10. And then, okay. So, if you'll excuse me, there was a small problem in our code, and we'll actually show you this. It's time equals, and it was this. It was this. It was in time dot sleep 1. Import time. I do not understand what is going wrong in this. I'll bet you in a sec. Let me debug. Okay, so I figured out the error. You need to change the variable time to time 1. So I just change it to time 1. Save it now that it's time 1, and it should work. So we're going up. Minutes is 1. Let's not make it 12 minutes. 1 minute. And seconds is 10 seconds. And then we'll see 1 minute 10. Oh, there's another error. So it's throwing errors at me because how I spaghettied it, and I figured out the problem again. As I was saying, you need to change the variable time. So simply all you gotta do is just go right to 924 and add time 1 to time 1 is equal to time 1 minus 1. After you've done all that, I am right. I've debugged everything and this should work. Minutes is 1. Seconds is 10. 1 minute 10, 1 minute 9, 1 minute 8. It's going down just like this. Let's wait for it to be over. But if you haven't already, be sure to, sorry. This is another error it threw at me, but it actually has done this many times to me. And I figured out what has gone wrong. In your next thing where you copied it, this only went wrong for me, but you need to change colors to time 1 and time 1 again. 1. Okay, that should not have gone wrong for you. Just look at my code. See this? Take a nice long look. If you've seen all of that, everything works now. I've triple checked everything in the time when I was gone. I bet you didn't see that. I triple checked everything. Everything should work. Let's go. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so you see this? That's just going to be something you have to live with. And I will actually add another video if I figure out how to fix this little, but you still, this little problem. But right there, that weird thing's happening. I'll try to get it to cancel out in my next video, but for right now, it works just fine. "20 seconds. Oh, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to the video. I worked very hard to build this content. It took me a long time to create this YouTube account. I really appreciate a lot of YouTube, and thanks so much for letting me post this. I just really like it. So if you can surprise, hit the notification button, I might be able to add some better stuff about this. But it just said bring, whatever the thing was that you want to happen. And that little thing happened, and I hope that you really liked it. Thanks so much. David is out.